Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we will start unit 8.2 triangles. We know that a triangle is a simple closed figure with 3 sides, 3 vertex and 3 angles. You can see these figures in your book. There are 2 figures of triangle. Triangle have 3 sides. These are called sides and these are called vertex. Now in second picture you can see that these are called vertex, the corners of the triangle, and the angles are called the interior angles, and these are the sides of the triangle. So triangles have 3 sides. We can classify triangle in 2 ways, by their sides and by their angles. Now classification of a triangle according to their sides is, the first one is equilateral triangle. All sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. We know that in triangles we have 3 sides, and when these 3 sides are equal, this triangle is called equilateral triangle. Now the second one is isosceles triangle. 2 sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. When 2 sides of any triangle is equal, which means that triangle is called isosceles triangle. In this triangle these 2 sides are equal, so this is called isosceles triangle. And the third one is a scalene triangle. The sides of a scalene triangle are all different in length. When we have 3 sides and all the 3 sides are different, which means that the angle is called the scalene triangle. Triangle is called scalene triangle. So these are 3 classification of triangle according to the side. First one is equilateral. In equilateral triangle all sides are equal. Isosceles, in isosceles only 2 sides are equal, and scalene, in scalene all sides are different. Now we can classify triangle according to angles. Acute angle triangle. All angles of an acute angle triangle are less than 90 degree. If we have a triangle and all the angles, we all know that triangles have 3 angles. First one is second angle and third angle, interior angles. And when all 3 angles is less than 90 degree, which means that the triangle is called an acute triangle. Second is right angle triangle. One of the angles of a triangle is called one of a angle of a right angle triangle is a right angle. Example, one angle of a triangle must be a right angle, so this triangle is called right angle triangle. Third one is obtuse triangle. In an obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle is obtuse angle. Example, more than 90 degree. When one angle is more than 90 degree, which means that triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. We can classify triangle according to the side in 3 ways: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. In acute angle, all angles, which means all 3 angles, is less than 90 degree. In right angle triangle, one of the angle must be 90 degree. In obtuse angle, one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. Now it's your book. Let's work task 1. Classify the following triangles according to their sides and angles. We have 3 angle triangles and we have to classify them according to their sides and angle too. So the first one is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. and all three sides are equal. So when all three sides are equal, the triangle is called equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. When three sides are equal, and when we see the angle is 60 degrees. 60 degree means the angle is, all angles are less than 90 degree. So when all angles are less than 90 degree, the triangle is called an acute angle triangle. Acute angled triangle. Now the second one is, we can see that we have 70 degree, 80 degree and 30 degree. All angles is less than 90 degree. All angle is less than 90 degree. So this is called, and according to the angle, this is called an acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. And when we see it according to the side, all the sides are different, and when all the sides are different, it's called scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Now in third one, we have a three angle, and the first and one of them is 90 degree. When we have one angle in all the triangle, one angle is 90 degree, which means that the triangle is called right angle triangle. And this is according to angle is right angle triangle. According to angle, this is right angle triangle. And when we see it according to side, so we can see that all the sides are different. So this is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Okay, now let's work task 2 of this unit. In this, you have to construct a triangle according to their sides. We have to construct a triangle, and the sides are given. AB is equals to 5 centimeter. So I have drawn AB, which is 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw BC, which is 3 centimeter. BC is 3 centimeter. Now we have to draw C and A, which is also 3 centimeter. Now 3 centimeter. Now we have to see that we have to classify the sides. We have to classify the triangle. We have two sides which are equal, and when we have two sides equal, the triangle is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So this is the way to construct a triangle according to their side. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.